Good morning, geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. It's 8:30ish on a Saturday morning. I've just been out and done a couple of geocaches. It's still relatively early, so I thought I'd actually shoot off and see if I could seal one off, get one found, because I've got a little blue misery face on my map. I'll show you. Now that little misery face is part of the York City Walls trail that I did quite some time ago now. And I found it, but it wasn't accessible because it had fallen off the city walls. And I've noticed in the log that it's very much active and been replaced and sorted out. And I kind of want to turn that blue face into a yellow smiley one. So let's see if we can do it. And I'm heading out quite early still because I want to avoid all the muggles, because it's a nice day and there'll be a lot of people wanting to meander around the city walls today. It's nice to see all the trees out now. Now we're in the height of summer. Although, just to be miserable about it, won't be too long before the leaves start falling. Soon comes round. It's not that long ago that building there was quite a famous little newsagent and toy shop called London's. And it's quite nice that the developers have kept the name of that on the current building, the new build. It is still relatively quiet, although it will soon start to pick up. I believe this build here is yet more flats, and it's on the old gasworks site. Not sure if you can see that. We've got about 370 meters to go. This is one of those where I am kind of rushing because I do, as I say, want to hit it before the city walls get too busy. On this side here, not sure what this development's going to be yet. Right, there's the entrance to the city walls, and that's where we're going up. Getting a few steps in for my exercise this morning. Up ahead in the distance, you can just see the Minster. We might be lucky. There might not be that many muggles on here. About 120 meters to go. But on the plus side, you do get that rather nice view of the Minster from the walls here. Ah, no, there's some muggles up ahead. And I'm guessing they might be right where I need to be. I can just take it steady. It's because this cache is above some old ruins underneath the wall, some Roman ruins. There we go, look. Part of some old Roman ruins. Found it. What the cache owner has very cleverly done is firmly affixed the container to the wall, to the railings. So at least now it's secured. So I'm really happy to be able to nail this one off. Yeah, so if you want to come and have a look for this one, this is kind of like your landmark, these ruins. And I am delighted to say that I've signed it, logged it, and popped it back. This is bound to have been a very short little video. Nevertheless, if you've liked it, you know what to do. Usual routine. Smash the subscribe and the bell, and then you'll catch up with all my other little adventures. All right, thanks so much for watching. You take care of yourself. I'm going to go home and enjoy the sun somewhere. All right, cheerio.